Alright, I just unpackaged the screen. I'm comparing it with the existing one, my broken one, and the new one. The tabs are identical. You look at the back, and everything's identical. It comes with a protective coating. I'm not going to remove that just yet. This is my bezel. Put that off to the side. And here's the 30-pin connector. So I would just line that up. I saved the packing. And it's a little tricky to get the pin connector in there, but you just line it up and put the little wire piece down to secure it. Put the packing back in place, and then cover it with the existing sticky. The rest of the installation is lining up the holes. Oh, the tabs came bent, so we'll just bend those up so they're flat. Okay, I found the screws. 4 screws. There's 2 holes here, so it's the outboard hole. A little bit tricky. Oh, dropped a screw. Let's try that again. Trying to hold it and put the screw in. Let's try something else. Let's lay it flat so we can position it correctly, and then put the screw in. Much better. Here's one screw. Here's another screw. And the final screw, put that in there. Make it tight, but just finger tight. Now I'm going to peel off the protective covering. Very nice looking. And then take the finish bezel. It still has tape on from when I took it off. So real carefully position it over the camera, lining up the edges. Oh, snaps right into place. Very nicely done. Snap, snap, snap. So snaps and the adhesive. This thing is a solid fit. Snap, snap, snap. Now, let's turn it on. Looks like it boots right up. That's replacing the screen on a Dell Latitude E5450.